So to Hive welcomes all our viewers to a very healthy, energetic, and inspiring conversation which I will be having with Mosmi Das. Mosmi is the founding yoga teacher at Samyak Smriti Yoga, the online studio. She has helped her students to overcome various health issues and charges their day with energy and positivity, just like she did for me now. From being a yoga engineer to yoga trainer, yoga teacher in school to founder teacher in her online yoga studio, Samyak Spriti Yoga. A very warm welcome, Mosmi, at Sotu High.
Thank you, Aditi. It's my pleasure to be in your platform. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Mosmi, tell me, why did you quit your full time job as a software engineer and be a yoga trainer?
Yes, Aditi. After 10th, like it's a ladder, right? We go like 10th, then 12th, then engineering, then we end up in IT industry. So I became a software engineer. Just the ladder one by one. And I worked as a software engineer for almost 9 years. But in these 9 years, I never really enjoyed my work, and I felt like I'm just doing my work for money. So when you don't have the work satisfaction, when you get more pressure, it becomes a stress because you are not enjoying your work. And after marriage and kid, it is almost difficult. It's a tough time for all working mothers. So it was for me also. And I also had some health issues like nasal allergy and all after coming to Bangalore. So altogether, it was becoming too stressful for me to manage. I listen my just go with my inner voice, with my instinct, and I always take the decision. And it also happened that I attended one of the corporate yoga class in my company.
Okay.
So I just attended one yoga session that was in a full peak it was going on, and I just entered into it. In childhood I used to do little bit, not like too much. And I don't know, I just fell in love with yoga with that one class. So I felt so good and nice, something that I have never experienced before. I had a very touched, I had a supportive family, husband, parents, all. So I decided to quit my job and to come out of the rat race and go with my own path, choose my own path. I'm not saying any uh, field is correct or wrong, everything is good in
But
its own, but it's your choice, like your journey, which suits. So are you enjoying or not? Are you in peace in or not? So I choose my peace of mind as my
wow.
priority. So I quit my job, and I was trying to cure my ailments. As I said, I had severe nasal allergy after coming to Bangalore, and almost all the doctors told me, till the time you are in Bangalore, you have to take medications lifelong till the time you are here. So
Oh,
the place like that is called the asthma capital of India. So you have to take the medicines. But somehow I was not convinced. So I took for 2 years, more than 2 years, I tried many things. Nothing was working. I was like just looking for some solution. Then I went to this SV Alpha Yoga University,
okay.
that is founded by Dr. Nagendra, who was a scientist in NASA, and he quit his work there and came to India and formed this yoga university. So and there I, after talking to the chief medical officer there, he said, you just try yoga for 365 days and see the difference. It will be cured forever. So like the first time I hope I see, I saw
Yeah, that
okay,
it
so I
will be good.
it has to be cured. So then I went there to their Arogya Dhama for the treatment. So I joined the yoga instructor course in 2016 October. So that is a full-time residential course, and I really learned many new things. It was a wonderful experience after the course, and I started taking few classes in yoga studios and outside. And maybe God's grace, people were liking my class from the
Yeah.
beginning. So it was like I was also surprised. It's like 9 years I worked somewhere. I never felt that satisfaction or joy, and just a few months or with my classes, I was, that was a different,
It
totally
was
different.
going good, yes.
It was going good. When you see, you know. people has happiness, satisfaction with your work yourself. It really feels good. So one thing I saw, like I experienced that people come for yoga classes or yoga when they get some disease. Like I
Yes, otherwise
can.
they don't.
Otherwise, when you are fit and fine, you just enjoy your life, right? You don't
Yeah.
think about doing exercise or yoga or anything else. So then I was having limited knowledge, I felt. So I need to go more deeper. I should know the body, like
Mm.
the health conditions in detail. So I felt that this is not enough. I need to know more so that I can give proper justice to my work. Otherwise, just so I went for my master's in yoga therapy from SVS University. So there, it was a 2 years course, correspondence course. I started with that. It was such a wonderful learning experience, I'd say. So really, like I'm really thankful to all the gurus and all the universities which taught me so much. And in that period, I got an opportunity to work as a yoga teacher in a school, in a very
Okay.
reputed school in Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
I was there around 1 year. So I enjoyed my work. So like after quitting the software job, I made it a point, if I'm working somewhere, I should enjoy my work. Not
Yeah.
for money, not for
But
anything.
we should
I
enjoy our work. Very true.
Yeah. If you are enjoying your work doesn't seem like a work. You'll just enjoy
Enjoy.
it. Like
Yes, yes. Yeah.
so, I enjoyed my work. So this COVID actually, because of this lockdown, we're at home, right? In March, we're at home. So in April, we all with the lockdown, we got contact with all the old friends and all,
Yes.
college friends. So just we once we were chatting like with my old friend, then they were telling, okay, you have done your MSc in yoga and all. So why don't you take classes for us? You teach us yoga. So
Okay.
just I started with my friends and few family members who were curious to learn yoga from me. So, but you won't believe, just the word of the mouth, in 1 month, it was 50 plus people
Oh,
who
wow.
joined class just of the word of the mouth. So
Mm.
and it was such a like they were loving it, and it was a nice experience. And in the time period, I was also getting some corporate offers, corporate contacts, and corporate classes. So there also I was getting a very nice, good feedback. So wonderful feedback. So then, okay, then I realized, okay, so online classes also works. Because before that we used to take only face to
Yeah,
face like.
once, yes.
So
And and
then after that, me and I for my MSc research work, I had to take some research project. So I did with my this group of yoga. And in May, when the school was they were reopening it for teachers, so because of family's circumstances, I was not able to go out of the house. So some situations, so I quit my decided to quit my yoga teaching job in school.
okay.
And because people in my class, they were so happy, they wanted to continue. They were very sad that if my
Mhm.
class if I join my school job, then it will be stopped. Then
Okay.
I thought, okay, I will continue with my online class. So after that, there is no looking back. It's going good. People are
Wow.
enjoying the classes. I'm
And
enjoying the journey.
yeah. And how did you start with Samek Smriti Yoga, the online yoga studio? You have your own website also. And I saw so many testimonials, wonderful testimonials on it. So tell us something about it.
So as I said, with this COVID, I just started with my family and friends, and just I was looking for a little more people because of my MSc research work. Then we got tremendous, overwhelming response actually,
Mhm.
because after lockdown, people were also free, and all of a sudden, people were health conscious because of the COVID. They
Yeah.
wanted to take care of their health, to
Yeah.
increase their immunity.
Immunity. Yes.
So many people joined, and they were getting a lot of benefits. Like I used to get very common feedback from almost all the students that just one class in the morning, it is changing our whole lifestyle routine. Because when you have to get up, join the class, you'll sleep
Mm.
early in the night. we get up early in the morning
You
with
sleep
the
late
class
at night.
energetic, energized whole day. You'll feel fresh and energetic, and
Yes.
you go. All the things get systematic, fall in place,
Mhm.
and with time they feel a lot of difference in their health, mental health, physical health.
Yeah.
So and then I after a few months, just 1 2 months, I thought, okay, let me take it to the professional level. So I designed this website. I had little computer knowledge because of my background. So
Mhm.
through the use help of few websites, I um, designed this website, Samyak Smriti Yoga, and just I got all the feedbacks from the people. I thought that is the best thing I can put in the website,
Yes.
because will know with they should know me with my work, not I should not tell about myself. People
Mhm.
should know with the experience of the students.
Yes. And in these 4 years, Mosmi, any time when you thought that you will not continue as a yoga trainer because it has so strict routines has to be followed and it is tiring also, then how did you accept that challenge and what did you do about it?
Yes, Aditi. So actually, the answer is no. It never came to my mind that I'll quit the yoga journey and I'll go
Okay.
for some other thing. It happened many times. Time came when for everyone, up and down time
Mm.
will be. So there were so many times I knew I had the potential, but I'm not reachable to the right people.
Okay.
So with this online platform, it's easy to reach to more people.
Mm.
Before that, it was not that easy, and many times I faced okay, it's not happening. Still, I don't know
Mm.
that maybe I just always listen my inner voice, just go with my instincts, and I feel this is the thing I can continue for my lifetime. So I
Wow.
never want to quit yoga, even if it is working, not working.
Yeah. And Mosmi, what is that one thing or what essence that you add in your class that your students are so consistent and you get so positive results also?
Huh. Yes, Aditi. That one thing I will say, I give a lot of emphasis on mindfulness. So
Okay.
what I learned in my masters in yoga is not only about the asanas and physical postures or exercise. It is
Hmm.
much more beyond that. Okay, so I give a lot of emphasis on mindfulness in the way, like all the days in my class, there will not be a single class without asanas plus pranayama or meditation or deep relaxation techniques. So, and also I have learned many techniques from my yes, yoga university, where like cyclic meditation and few practices where we in 30 minutes a person can get the deep relaxation of six
Hmm.
hours of sleep
Okay.
just in 30 minutes.
Wow.
So many people will just go off on
Yeah,
off
this is,
like
yes.
off initially few classes.
Yeah.
So because the body needs that deep rest.
Hmm.
So there are things I don't only give importance on only on asanas exercise. Obviously, that is important because first
Hmm.
the body should be active and energetic. Like first we have to asana, we have to work on the asana level, then breath level, pranayama, and then the meditation. I follow all the things, but I give a lot of importance on mindfulness. So
Oh.
I feel people, my students in the class, they understand it after a few classes. Though they join for weight loss or this disease or that disease, but after some days they understand it and they just love it and they want to continue.
Wow.
And they tell that if we miss a single class, we don't feel that good that day. We feel like we're missing something.
Hmm.
They look forward for each class to
Yeah.
attend.
This is so motivating, Mosmi. Really nice. And wonderful that you are doing such a nice thing, helping people in being satisfied, contented, and lovely talking to you, Mosmi. Thank you so much for coming at So Too High today and sharing your experience and your journey with us.
It's my pleasure, Aditi. Thank you so much.